This is Master GongSun, and here we have a feeding frenzy for the cat. The cat loves to eat, well, everything really, everything from rice to vegetables to fish, meat, watermelon, and now pastries. Although I don't know why it's making that noise. Maybe it's a sign of contentment. Very content to be eating. Right, Meow Meow? Right? Are you happy to be eating? Yeah, why is it going nine 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 nine? Must be happy. See, if you feed it a bit, he's not going to complain so much. See, he doesn't like to be physically confined within a small room, so he likes to be in the great outdoors, wide open spaces. But he was meowing a lot as soon as I brought him into the room. But then he stopped as soon as I gave him some food.